Alright guys, tucktec kayak, pull it out. I'm gonna put the thing together and talk you through it. The strap comes out from underneath the boat. You will need that. Just unfolds. The seat comes out. You will need that. I have not used this on the water yet. I will be very shortly. That's the plan anyway. Pads come out. I will show you what I'm doing on that side. This is a couple of times putting a video together, and I couldn't do it. So I'm gonna just show you on the side where the camera is. This folds out. There's a safety thing. Slides across. Pin goes in. Now actually I can show you on that side. I have to show you on this side what I'm doing. I'll tilt this down. Alright, so what I'm doing is folding this across. There's a little latch that goes down. Pull that tight so the boat is folded like that. Now I go on this side of the boat and there's a handle like so on this side. What I'm doing is folding this over, putting it into a hole, putting and sliding over a safety harness, putting in a pin, safety pin, like so. Now, as far as the sides, I'm going to try to do this the way I want to. The sides are a little different. There's you push this thing over, and you're gonna have to push down a little bit, and you slide that over down so you can put the pin in. Safety pin goes in, like so. Now I'm going to do that over here. Same thing. Folds over. That goes across. Pin goes in. Jump on the other side. Same thing. Our latch goes across. This goes down. Pin goes in. going to do it here. This goes across. No, yes it does. This goes across. This goes down. Pin goes in. It's almost all one motion, really. Okay, so now we're trying to do this, show you how to put the seat in. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the seat in, just like that. Alright, so seat goes in. There's three. I might as well get everything ready. Okay, so I've got the pads. There's pads that go across here. There's a bungee cord that just goes across and latches like that. Goes across, goes in, latches like that. So now I'm going to do the other side real quick. Pad goes across, strap goes across. Okay, now as far as the seat goes, there's three bars that go across. Now, you're going to put your strap side, Velcro side goes down first. Put all the way through until it stops. Make a little, you need a little bit loose so it can go above the seat. Like I said, I have not used this boat yet. I have putting it together and practicing putting it together and taking it apart. Velcro goes across like that. I'll show you what I did in a minute. And this was your carrying piece. I did not take out, and I should have to show you. There's a clip that goes across. That makes your seat tighten up the way you want it. I will talk you through that once I have everything together. So now, what I did was, it's very easy. The strap goes across there. See if I can turn on the light. So there's a strap. You put the Velcro side down. You go through the thing. You you tighten that down like so. Now on the sides, you just attach. Now I can't do it. Shit. Screw that up. Well, you get the idea. This is loose, all the way loose. And what you do is you just pull on that, and I can't because well, you got the idea. And that's it. That is the tucktec kayak. Guys, I haven't tried it out yet on the water. I've seen lots of videos and looking forward to getting some flounder and fish with it this season. I have an operation on my back. That's going to be putting me back a little bit. But there it is. Until the next video.